Hello, beautiful people. It's your host with the most, the one and only, and this video is for those bandaholics who are interested in the international collection and may want to pick up one of my two favorite bands, the USA one and the Mexico one. Both of these bands, in my opinion, are killer, and I wanted to showcase them for y'all here on every single available Apple Watch casing material and every single color. The only noticeably absent watch is the white ceramic of previous generations. I'm hoping that with the new Series 7 set to be released later in September, the ceramic watch will see a revival because that watch is absolute hot fire and would match so well with both of these bands here. Being Mexican American myself, I feel I'm heavily biased, but without further ado, this one is going to be a quick one. But one more thing, I have a huge surprise guest later on in the video, so make sure to watch it till the end to find out how you can be the lucky winner of one of these bands. You'll be able to choose either the USA one or the Mexico one, or realistically any of the international band offerings while supplies last. Alright, that's enough with the introductions, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, these bands are limited edition, meaning once supplies run out, that's it. So in a way, these will become sort of a collectible later on in the future. It's what happened with Apple's first iteration of international watch bands they released back in the times of the Rio Olympics, and those can commonly be seen on eBay for upwards of $300 plus. As of the recording of this video, the Mexico one is still being sold on both the 40mm and 44mm variants. The USA one, as far as I'm aware, should be available in most physical Apple retail stores and is still available on both sizes over at apple.com. Make sure to snag one if you're interested because I feel supplies are starting to run low. As you've probably seen in some of the B-rolls already, I'm just here showcasing each band worn with each casing style and color. The flag watch faces can be downloaded using a special QR-like code that allows you to instantly download the watch face and have it match up with your Apple Watch even better and to better demonstrate your nation's pride. Or it doesn't even have to be your nation. I've rocked each and every one now and heads almost always turn to look at the wrist. I love the compliments people give me, and when I inform them it's for the international collection and each combination is meant to represent a nation's cultural colors, people are amazed and intrigued. The aim of the video is to model each band with every available watch casing material and color, so you can get a better picture of how they'll look like on the wrist with each color in case you're not nearby to an Apple store. At the bare minimum, consider giving me a like as these videos take more time than you'd think to put together. I have to download and sync the watches and watch faces, replace the watch bands in between every shot. It's quite time consuming, but if you really like these kinds of videos, hit that subscribe button for future tech content just like this, and also drop a comment with your request so I can make an episode 2 with a couple of other bands to showcase from the international collection. Before I let our special guest say a few words, I did want to go over a few of my favorite combinations. See, thing is, on the USA one, you really can't go wrong with any casing colors. The trifecta of the blue, white, and red look great on any watch casing material and color, but in my opinion, looks terrific on the titanium model and also the blue and red aluminum Apple Watches. It goes hard and it's a great way to be patriotic. On the other hand, over with the Mexico band, it looks awesome on the lighter casing colors, especially the silver aluminum model. I don't know, it just looks really fresh and clean, but a close second that will most definitely turn heads is rocking the Mexico band on the red aluminum watch. It plays off really well, especially when running the watch face plus band combination. And as I mentioned over on the international showcase videos, I know a lot of my Italian fans have expressed concerns that they may pick up this Mexico band because it's actually a little closer to the actual Italian flag, since the Italian International Watch band released is actually primarily blue. And now let me introduce our special guest, VC Football. This is my brother, and over on his channel well, you know what? I'll actually let him tell you. Go ahead, Vic.
Everybody, Victor with VC Football, and I am so happy to be here doing a collaboration video with my brother, the one and only. And I'm so excited to be a part of this international Apple band giveaway. All you have to do to be entered into the giveaway is just smash the subscribe button here at the One and Only's. head over to VC Football, smash the subscribe button there, 2 subs and you're done, you're entered into the giveaway. And also while you're over there, be sure to check out VC Football where you can stay up to date with all of the European football news. Check out my in-game match analysis videos and my personal favorite videos, predictions of the biggest competitions in football, including the Champions League and the World Cup that's just around the corner next year. Thank you again to the one and only for this plug. So happy to be here, and good luck to everybody in the giveaway.
You guys heard him. Make sure to subscribe to his channel if you're interested in the world of soccer, or as it's more commonly known around the world, football. Thanks for being featured on my channel, brother. I thought, with the Olympics now behind us, this was a great time to collab with him since soccer is a very popular sport played in the Olympics. Also, the USA and Mexico recently faced each other at the finals of the Gold Cup about a week or two ago, and the USA came out on top. I was actually rooting for Mexico, but hey, we'll get them in the next 2 years. Shout out to Brazil for taking gold this year at the Olympics for soccer, followed by the runner-up Spain, and in third place, impressively, Mexico took the bronze. Congrats. But anyways, guys, that's been it. Just a very quick video showcasing some of my favorite bands from the international collection. As VC Football stated, me and him are giving one of these bands away free to one lucky subscriber or any of the international band of your choice while supplies last. All you have to do is subscribe to both of our channels with bell notifications, and one lucky winner will be announced on both of our socials in 1 week, that being Monday, August the 16th. Drop a comment letting me know you have completed the easy step for entering so we are able to choose a comment. Good luck to everyone. Again, shout out to VC Football, my brother, for making an appearance on my channel. And once again, if you want to see your favorite band from the international collection showcased, just let me know down below. Alright everyone, I'm clocking out for now, but we'll be catching you all real soon. Peace out.